Okay, so today we're gonna open this box from Box Mystery. I got 3 boxes from there, and I thought they would be in separate sort of packagings, but turns out it was 2 of them were mixed up here, and one was Hello Kitty, which is separate. I've fished it out, but now let's have a look what's inside this gigantic box, which consists of 2 boxes. This one was a random box of used items that were returned, and one was a box of new items which were returned, which was supposed to the used ones were supposed to have higher value. Let's see what's inside anyway. Right. So first things first, we have this plushie of a chip. Hello. It's very random. I think my baby daughters will love that though. Then we have this pillow, I guess, neck pillow maybe, of a cat. Hello. That's also quite good for children's room. I think the girls will like it. Then, what is it? A pair of wedges that are from New Look, size 5, brand new, value $27.99. Well, $27.99, vegan. Well, this is perfect condition. Black wedges. Let's see what's this. It's part of tracky bottoms. Boohoo Man, size medium. Oh, very fancy. Very good condition. Another plushie. No idea what that is. I'm gonna have to Google it later and find out. Maybe it's some sort of collectible. I don't know. Third plushie. Then we have another plushie pillow. Xbox controller. Yeah, Xbox. DreamTex. Very good condition pillow. Probably give it to someone. That's the 4th plush thing. Then we have what appears to be a bobblehead of Shaggy from Scooby-Doo. That has been used, I think, or at least it's a little bit mucky. Again, collectible, probably. It's 2 of something. Oh, right, it's like a hand support, I guess, or maybe a toe support. I don't know if this one has been cut. Yeah, it's the same thing, size large here. I'm guessing this might be smaller size or bigger size. We have 2 of those. We have next LED decor lights have been unpacked, but it seems unused really. Just packaging is wrecked. What is it? Glow jewelry. For 3+ years. Okay, no idea what that. Okay, it's some rings that guess glow. Okay, let me take one out and let's see if that kind of works. It's for kids, it's quite fun. There we go. Does it glow? No, it doesn't. It has 3 batteries, it doesn't work. I'll try another one. Exactly the same. Also doesn't work. Well, that's lovely. Lovely pack of crap. Oh, something fell out. What's this? That looks like yeah, white no sleep machine. It says old on it. Someone wrote old. I'm guessing it's been used, but no. But okay, it needs to be charged. I'm gonna try it out. Maybe it will be good for girls as well. I can see another thing here. Facial hair remover. It's been opened this side. Let's have a look. Cable come out. Does it work? Something did happen. Does that? Maybe it needs charging. Maybe it doesn't work. Who knows? I'm gonna try it later again. There's something in. Oh, there's something in bubble wrap here. I'll try and pack it. It seems like a wooden box. Vintage. Best perfection. Oh, okay. 1984. It's a shame it's not 85 for me. Yeah, it's a whiskey glass with a coaster and 4 sort of stone ice things. This would need a clean. A nice present though. Nice sort of gift for someone the correct age. And okay, so maybe this is the box of new things. I think everything else was. Okay, there's another plushie here. Some sort of wrestler. I don't know. Minted icons, it says on it. Psycho minted icons. Again, that would need to be checked what it is really. Is it a collectible? Is it just like random plushie? What else we have here? Okay, this is like 2-side markers. Oh, that could be the same color. They're different colors actually. 2 sides. Let's see how they look actually. Okay, so this is the white tip. This is the small tip. Super soft. Okay, that actually looks quite promising. This is like something that I could potentially use actually. 2 sets of those as well, brand new. Okay, the next thing we have is this looks like 2 belts, sort of Hermes style buckle. black and brown, they're adjustable. In this box. What else we got? Okay, that's the last thing I think. What's this? Gisela Graham London vanilla candle. This is saying, tell me. It smells nice, like vanilla. Probably for someone's birthday. 80th birthday would be nice. And that's everything. Right, so this is everything that we got. Brand new look shoes. I would say new without tags really because they don't look worn. Boohoo Man tracky bottoms. 2 packs of those gel cushions for your feet. The whiskey gloss, 2 belts, a pack of glowing rings that don't work. I'm gonna check all of them actually, but the 2 I tried don't work. A vanilla candle, shaggy bobblehead. Then we have facial hair remover that needs to be checked. LED lights that need to be checked. A pillow of Xbox. Then we have brand new marker pens, white noise machine, and 4 plushies, including 1 new with tag. So this is contents of 2 boxes. Each of the boxes was $9.99. There's quite a lot of things here. Very random, but as I said, I did pick the random boxes. I'm gonna try to find out what the value is of each of the items and if it was worth it. Right, so now that we have everything unboxed, let's have a look how much it all is worth. Of course, starting with the easy ones where I could actually find the price. What I thought was a plushie of a wrestler is actually a character from the game Borderlands 3. And that plushie goes for $11.99 on Amazon. The other plushie was a cameraman from the series Skibidi Toilet, which is obviously super popular with the kids at the moment, and that costs £8 on eBay. And another was the Xbox plushie pillow, which is now £8 on Argos. And just taking into account that some of these are used, I'm gonna have their price. Next we have the whiskey gift set, which I found for $19.99 on eBay, which is a really good find. Next we have the mini electric epilator, which is $9.99 again on eBay. However, this one, even after charging, doesn't work, so it's a big fat zero. And the pastel markers I found on AliExpress quite cheaply for 66p per 1 pack, and I got 2 packs, which gives us £1.32 total. Now things are getting a little bit tricky because I didn't find the exact products, but I found something very similar to the gel food pads for $8.95, and since I got 1 new one and 1 that has been open, I would say it would be a total of £13.42 for both. Then I had a brand new Giselle Graham vanilla candle. I found them in different prices, so let's say it's a £5. And the indoor lights, I only found someone selling 2 of the boxes on eBay for £14.36, so let's say 1 box would be £7.20 for these. Then we have a set of 2 belts for $7.99 on Amazon. The plushie of a chip looked like it's a part of a Yummy Word Fernando the Fry set, which I only found for $31 online. I can't see it being worth more than £2-3, to be honest. And the bobblehead of Shaggy seems to be from McDonald's Happy Meal, and it goes for £4 to £5 online for a used toy. Now the difficult bits, which I couldn't find a price for, but let's just estimate that the glowing rings are in a pack of 24 pieces, each piece 50p, which gives us £12 for the pack. The Boohoo Men tracky bottoms are not available online anymore. The similar styles cost around £15 to £17 on Boohoo, so I'd say this would be around £7.50. And then we have a cat pillow, which is currently unavailable, so it's difficult for me to find a price for it, but I don't think it would be worth more than a £5 in this condition. And of course there was a pair of wedges from New Look, brand new, and they retail at $27.99. And I almost forgot the Oria white noise machine for babies, which retails at $11.99 on Amazon, so it would be around £6 for this used one.